Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're here to do another family recipe. And this time we're going to do a coconut pound cake. Now we're going to take 6 eggs. We got these eggs at room temperature. I could beat that with one hand. Now we're going to beat these eggs up. Then we're going to add 2 1/2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of butter. We've let this out to stay soft, so it should beat up pretty good. This is a real rich cake, but it's delicious. Don't know what we do with that paper towels. I'm going to be mixing that up now, and I'm going to pour some more stuff in it. 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of cream of coconut. We're going to mix that up. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now the last thing we're going to do is add our flour a little at the time. There's 3 cups of self-rising flour. This would have been easier on the other mixer over there. We're going to spray our tube pan with some Joy cooking spray. Okay, we're going to pour our cake in the tube pan. That's a big cake. This tube pan is a big tube too. Well, what we want to do is shake that, bounce it up and down where it'll be sure and get evenly distributed. So we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven. It has to stay for 1 hour. And we'll time this for 1 hour and come back to it. Our coconut pound cake is finished. And I guess you can see I've been nibbling on it. It's very good. I hope you try this, and we'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.